back in the studio.
Yes.
Our studio away from home. Thank you so much to Isaac for having us. And today we have another treat. We have our friend, this is Adam from SushiArtisan.
Hey.
You guys saw from a previous video some of the magic that he creates on the cutting board with sushi ingredients. And watch that video if you want to learn the whole backstory, how he started, what's his inspiration, and how he got into the business. And it's really interesting. I never heard of it before, but thanks for sharing it.
Yeah, my pleasure.
So today we're making another roll. What's the name of the roll?
Yeah, today we're making a salmon and basil roll.
Okay.
Yeah.
And tell us about this roll, because obviously you want to share it, and that's maybe it's special to you for whatever reasons.
Yeah, I often get asked like, "What's your favorite roll?" And I'm always like creating more artistic sushi. So today I want to create just more of a basic roll and one that's my favorite and share it with the world.
All right, let's do it. So what are the ingredients?
We're dealing basically just with sushi rice, and then we have our salmon, fresh salmon here. And then along with that too, we're using some chives, a little bit of garlic paste, and basil. And those are the foundational ingredients that you can obviously embellish on the roll if you want to.
Right. Well, it sounds so great, and can't wait to see it.
All right, sounds good. Let's get into making it.
Let's do it.
All right, go ahead and get our rice here.
In case you don't know, Adam here was making sushi since 16 years old. And again, watch that video that he created, that beautiful sashimi roll. Really intriguing to watch. And his Instagram page, SushiArtisan, is phenomenal. You guys, when you see it, you probably think it was all computer generated graphics, right? And it's not. This man created it.
And so after we set up our roll to do an inside out roll, what I'm going to do is just for a little decoration is use the chives on the outside. So I'm just going to kind of sprinkle them all over the top of it. Just like so. And if you have sesame seeds, those can sometimes be really good on top as well. Just add a little bit of additional crunch. So we have our plastic wrapped sushi mat. Always make sure to do that when working with inside out rolls so they don't stick to the mat and you're getting rice all up in there. What I'm gonna do is start with a little bit of garlic. And a little bit goes a long way, so we don't need a ton, but we just want to do a thin layer basically across the entire roll.
Okay.
That's good. And then we'll go ahead and chop some salmon. Get some salmon slices. And then we're gonna take some of our fresh basil and cut that up.
Just imagine the taste. Basil with the chives and the garlic.
All right, now we roll it.
Oh, it smells so good already. It smells like an Italian dish.
comes with the cutting.
Look at this roll. I can smell the fresh basil and the garlic. And just imagine what it tastes like with the chives. Amazing flavors. Hiro-san, I can't wait to taste this.
Yes.
Really excited?
Yes, I really like to eat right now.
Right. I can't believe we never thought about that, Hiro. What a great combination. Thank you so much to Adam from SushiArtisan. Make sure to check out his Instagram posts on his page. Amazing creations. You guys are be really, really mystified once you see it. Thank you so much for your time. We can't wait to see you again soon.
Thank you. Can't wait.
Yep. Bye-bye. To the best part of all, my favorite part, Hiro-san.
Tasting part.
Oh yes, I can't wait. Thank you so much, Adam, for being here
Yeah,
and creating this very simple, but I can tell you, I can smell the roll all the way from here. So delicious looking. Enjoy, guys. Let's try. Yep. I don't think I've ever had salmon with garlic paste before.
I have tried it. So,
Right? And the chives,
It's a good combination.
right? Amazing. Please.
Success. He likes it. All right, I'll give it a go.
All right. You guys can make this at home too. That's the best part. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you've had it more than once, so we know it's
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
It is good.
Oh, look, Hiro's getting seconds. Fresh basil probably gives a really nice flavor too, you know? It's all the flavors just... let's take a look at this.
The garlic soy sauce I like anyway.
Mm.
You know, in my hometown, when we eat bonito fish, we use a lot of garlic,
A lot of garlic. Oh.
sliced garlic or ground garlic. So I like this flavor.
Yeah, the flavor, the basil. First of all, I've never had fresh basil and fresh salmon. Right away, the combination's very unique. Throw in the garlic and the chives at the end. Let me tell you, this is delicious. Wow. Now you gotta call this the Adam roll or sushi and artisan roll. What do you prefer?
Oh, I like them both. I feel like SushiArtisan maybe has a little bit more traction right now, so
Okay.
we'll go with that one.
Let's do that. Well, thank you so much again. It was a pleasure and an honor to spend time with you. We look forward to our next time together.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Yep. You guys follow him on Instagram.
Thank you.
See you guys soon. All right, we're going to see Isaac's little car collection here. This is not part of his collection, although he wants it. There you go. Oh, yeah, I didn't know you have this motorcycle. Isaac, when did you get this?
Oh, that's James' motorcycle.
That's Jane's? Really?
You got it right?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Did you ride it? That's Jane's? Really? Hiro-san, you ready for a test drive? All right, let's hear you start it up. Hiro, give us some gas. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
beautiful.
Let's go give some gas. Come on, let's go.
Go straight.
Yeah, go straight. Sounds good. Look at this motor.